Right. All right. For this skill, we are going to make a web link button. We're going to make a web link button, and you can put a slideshow, form, video, website. You can put anything that has a URL. You can put inside a Web IFX button. We're going to start on the computer because it takes some work on the computer. Um, so I got to find my thing that I want to put inside the button. I could put like slides that I want students to have to follow along with. I could use a slideshow and incorporate it in some novel way for my activity. Um, or I could even use it for a very practical reason of putting my sublines in there, making it really easy for a sub when I have to leave. And so that's what I'm just going to show. So shout out to Desiree for this. So I have my PowerPoint um, in OneDrive. Maybe there's another way to do it with Google Slides. Well, yeah, there's a way to do it in Google Slides too, of course. So as long as I have that URL on the top, I have it saved in some kind of cloud. So I'm going to click on the share button and make sure it's only view. Okay, good. Copy link. All right, my link is copied. So now I'm going to go to Engage, the Engage web portal, and I'm going to make this a web link. So let's log in and get this web link saved. All right, so to make a web link, we're going to come on the left side of our screen, go to Media, and here in the web links page, we're going to click Add Web Link. And here we're going to paste that URL and name it subplans or give it a date. All right, now we're ready to go into VR. So now here is our VR, and we're going to make a web link button. And if you're doing it on the computer, you don't need to make the web link like we just did. You could just copy and paste it directly into the button, and I'll show you that. But if you're using VR to put the button in with some of your other stuff, um, you do have to make the web link. That way, you're not typing every letter one at a time. So if you're just like, I'm a computer person, I do almost everything on the computer, then you don't need to make web links almost ever. But if you're trying to make like your snapshot in VR, your snapshot has Web IFX buttons in them, then you are going to need to make the web link in the web portal, and then um, you can copy the URL from the web link in your headset and paste it into the button. All right, now we are here, so let's open our menu, and we're going to go to the IFX page. And the name of this button, don't search buttons because then you're going to get probably a lot of different stuff. But you're going to get, you're going to search Web IFX. And haha, it was the first thing. So click on it, and it's going to pop-up menu is going to appear. And say, oh, well, what do you want to put in here? If you're on the computer, I already have my URL copied, and I put sub plans. And here I click place button. I got my button. But then if I am not making this on the computer, I'm making it on the headset, then I open my menu. I'm going to start by going to the web page and click on web links. Find my sub plans web link. Click on the three dots. click on Edit. For you in the headset, when you see this, when you click on the URL box, your keyboard will appear, and you're going to use those icons on the left side of your keyboard to select all, and then you'll click the icon for copy, which will, again, it'll be on the left side of your keyboard. And I'm just showing this on my computer, so I'm going to click Control A, Control C, then I copied it. You would do select all and copy. And then you would go here to the Web IFX button, click the URL box, and then your virtual keyboard will pop up. And again, using one of those icons on the left side of that virtual keyboard, you're going to click that paste button on the left side of your virtual keyboard, and it'll paste it here. Sub plans. So very similar. Then when you click on the button, it takes you to the subplans. Okay, and so for this skill, again, I want you to put a slideshow or a video or a form inside a button. So everyone in your group, I want you to do that.